Let's see what else I can fix with my handy-dandy Bearcraft tools. Hey! How about my swing?
Like Teddy Bear.
Fine.
Chunks of cheddar, great gobs of Gouda. Oh, Hickory Dickory.
The
Sounds
end.
like Tutter.
Go in, go in, go in.
Oh! Hey, Tutter.
Oh, yes, yes. Hello, Bear. Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning.
Oh, nice puzzle. Looks like you're almost done.
Yes, yes. Almost done, almost done.
When Tutter tries to figure something out, he concentrates very hard.
Me
I like that
too.
about him.
Only this last piece could go in, but... Oh, Hickory Dickory, it
The
won't go
end.
in.
Can I take a look at it, Tutter?
What? Oh, sure, sure. Be my guest, be my guest. But
Beauty
good
and the Beast
luck.
reference.
If he can figure this one out, he's a better mouse than I am. A better mouse than I am, Bear.
Well, this piece must fit in the puzzle somehow.
Maybe.
Hey, maybe you can help us.
Sure.
Bear, how are they gonna do that?
Well, maybe if you look at the puzzle from up above.
Huh?
That's better. Now you can
Thank
help
you.
us.
Wow, you sure are way up high. But I don't know, Bear. I just don't know.
Do you think this piece will fit the puzzle?
Well, see, look,
won't
there's
think so.
a yellow piece, and there's part of a circle right there. But I don't know what to do. I just don't know.
Maybe. Will it fit this way?
No, I tried
Try
that way
it.
already.
How about this way?
No, I tell you, it doesn't fit, Bear. It doesn't fit.
This way?
No, Bear, I don't...
How about this way?
Try your best. And ta-da!
Hey, look! It fit, Bear! It fit!
That's right.
Oh, we did it! We did it!
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for helping.
Yeah, thanks for helping us.
You're welcome.